So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how easily to create a patch file in just a few minutes. So first, right now in the test directory, I'm going to create an empty repository. So in this empty repository, I'm going to create app folder, and then inside my app folder, I'm going to create a text file. So let's say app.txt is created. Okay, so if you do git status right now, there's the app file, which is untracked file. I'm going to add it and then commit. Alright, so right now I have a app file is created, which in my local repository. So right now I'm going to show you how to create a patch. So first, in order to create a patch, you must have some changes between files to files, right? So first, I'm going to create a folder. Let's call it 1 over here. And then I'm going to create another folder. I'm going to call it 2. Okay? So in this one folder, it will have our original file. And in this 2 folder, it will have changes which is made on top of our original file. So right now, in this one folder, it must have the same folder structure as our app. Okay, so I'm going to create a folder called app, and also in 2, it must have the same folder structure. Okay, so over here, I'm going to copy this app.txt file inside this one app directory. So it has our original app file. Okay, so I'm also going to copy it over here. Alright. So in this app.txt file, in 2 folder, I'm going to modify it. Let's say I modify it, say this is some changes over here. Alright. So notice that the app.txt file in folder 1 and also in folder 2 is different. Okay. So based on this difference, I can create a patch, and then I will have a patch file, which and then I can apply on top of my app repository. Okay, so I'm going to use this command to create a patch based on the difference of folder 1 and folder 2. So I need to come to my root repository. So over here, this is my root repository. I'm going to apply this command. So this command will based on the difference of 1 and 2 folder, and it will create a patch called app.patch. Alright, so let's do it. So you do ls, you can see there's a file called app.patch. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So you can see that it actually creates a patch based on the folder structure. So the folder structure of 1 and 2 has to be the same. Otherwise, the patch created is not able to apply on top of our app repository. Okay, so you can see that a patch is being created, and this is some changes inside here. Okay, so right now I have an app.patch in my root repository. What I can do is that in order to apply the patch on top of our app repository, so let's go inside the app, and if you do git log right now, you can see there's only app file is created, and if you do git status, there's no local changes in our app repository. So I'm going to change back to the root repository. So right now I'm going to apply this patch. So let's do it. It says that the app.txt file in our app folder is being patched. Okay, so if you change back to the app repository, so right now if you do git status, you will see the app.txt file right now is being modified. If you do git diff, you will see the patch which contains the changes is being applied on top of our app repository. Okay, so this is how easily you can create a patch using this null command and specifying the folder 1 and 2, the original folder which is 1, and the changes folder which is 2, and created a patch called app.patch. And then to apply the patch, you just need to say patch -p1, and then with the app.patch that we have just created. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this tutorial.